Taxi operator from Rockfort reported missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Rockfort police are seeking your help in finding 56-year-old Spencer Curlin, a taxi operator of Hive Slope Avenue, Kingston 2, who has been missing since Friday, September the 2nd. He is of brown complexion, sim-built and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports are that Curlin was last seen leaving home around 12:10 a.m. and has not been seen or heard from since. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is he was wearing a black t-shirt, blue jeans pants and a pair of multicolored sneakers. He has not been seen or heard from since, and the police are asking the public's help in order to identify his whereabouts. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Spencer Curlin is being asked to contact the Rockfort police at 876-922-2941, 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.